Hey Clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to recreate this Ariana Grande inspired high ponytail. Now, this is a super simple tutorial, but the hairstyle is super fun and super pretty, so let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to need for this tutorial are 2 ponytails, a hairbrush, hairspray, and possibly some bobby pins, and also some bling bobby pins if you want to add a little extra sparkle. So basically the first step is to divide your hair half up, half down, and then you're going to take the top part of the half up, half down do, and you're going to secure it into a really good and tight high ponytail just with the first half of your hair. Then you're going to tighten it down and move on to the bottom half of your hair and do the same thing. And honestly, I wasn't paying attention, but if you would brush the bottom half upwards, it would blend in more like that top ponytail, just making it look more blended and smooth. Now we are just spicing this look up a little bit by curling the ponytail ends. I do like to switch up the movements of the curls you'll see here soon. Sometimes I like to do it this way, other times I like to use the curling clasp. It just depends, but it really does give like that extra volume and texture and just like overall gorgeous looks. So that's just my little tip right there. Yeah, so the curling of the ponytail is probably the longest part of this whole tutorial process, but I did do thicker pieces. It did speed it up a little bit, but if you do want tight, smaller curls, definitely do thinner pieces. I do have thick hair, so like I could do thicker pieces. I just have to leave the iron on there for like 10 seconds longer. So yeah, it's all just preference and really what your look of the day is gonna be. So I've actually already posted this hair tutorial on my Instagram, like an IGTV video, so it was obviously a little bit shorter and you guys loved it for those of you who are following me on Instagram. If not, definitely go follow me and just send me a message that says, hey, follow me back on my cloud, because I do love following all my clouds and I'll definitely follow you back. But anyways, yeah, you guys loved this tutorial on my IGTV video so much, so I decided I would do like an extended version, step-by-step version on my YouTube channel. And yeah, I hope you guys love this video so much. I like doing videos like this just because I can be really silly and have so much fun and like just goof around with you guys. So yeah, if you guys want me to recreate any more celebrity like DIY styles, let me know because they're really fun and surprisingly very simple. Sometimes. Not all the time though. Sometimes. So finally, I did tell you that the curling process would take the longest, but finally we are on the last curl, and then we are going to see what this looks like with the curls finished, and I promise you guys you're going to love it, but I am going to do a little something to spice it up, so yeah, you'll see. So this is almost the completed look, but I mean, if you guys want to stop right here, definitely do that. It is such a cute and fun look, but like I said, I was going to spice it up just a little bit. So I just added these bling bobby pins. I actually added 2 and I just put them right next to each other so it kind of looked like it was a bling ponytail holder and it just like made the look. So I love this look so much. Again, it was super easy and it's so fun to wear and it's such like a gorgeous easy look. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below and also let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and subscribing to the Sky family, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye clouds, I love you.